Welcome, guy. Welcome. You don't know it's Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. Guys, I'm just here to just say to you this video and all the rest of video that you will be getting for the month of November and beyond. I'm asking you, please watch the ads. Watch the ads from start to finish because when you watch the ads, that's how you can support this channel, and also you will be supporting the people of Jamaica because in December I want to give some money to at least 3 or 4 or 5 people in Jamaica so that they can have a nice Christmas. So guys, remember, watch the ads, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, but most of all, please watch the ads because if you don't have the money to donate, no problem. I will use the money that I am making from this month money to send to help these people along with some of my personal money from my business. So guys, watch this video and remember, like, share, comment, and watch all the ads. Peace. Watch the video. I'm out.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? No, all right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you feel any pain, big or small, check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Make the doctor come check you if you have the money. If you don't, make a friend, family, or somebody close to you. Bring you to the doctor. Also, guys, remember, Christmas has come. Most people in Jamaica still in problem, still not have no place to live, still a look all the help they can get. Anything you can do for them for Christmas, make you do it. I'm going to do what I plan to do by helping at least 2, 3, or 4 family. Guys, I asked for some help. So far, I believe I'm still at $510. I didn't get any more donation. However, if you guys don't have the money to donate or don't want to donate to me, what I'm asking you to do is watch all the ads on the video. Please, I'm begging you, watch the ads on the video. Watch the video, like the video, share the video. So that means YouTube can pay me very well at the end of for this month, because the money for this month will be going towards helping a couple people in Jamaica along with what I'm going to put to it. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I wasn't here for a little bit doing some catering, and I'm going to be here now for today, tomorrow, and then I'll be away for a little bit, but I'll be posting some videos so you guys can get them. My viewers and subscribers, you notice my channel name is Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. I know I haven't put out any lifestyle videos, so my plan is to do a different channel with my lifestyle on it. This channel is Real Talk TV, where I lay down the real talk and tell you about what's going on in the world with the gossip and the celebrities and all kind of people. Now, my viewers and subscribers, Real Talk TV, my channel is not Sugarcoat TV, so I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm going to talk the truth, nothing but the truth, so help me Father Jesus. I am going to tell you exactly what I know, the information I gather, after I check and make sure the information is correct. To all of my subscribers them out there, big up on yourself to each and every one of you who give me a phone call, send me a DM, send me a message to voice your opinion. Some of you say they don't like certain things, they don't like, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much for sending those. Thank you very much for sending all them messages. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know if you realize that I have Knife Ninja here on the TV. Yeah? And it says, this need to stop. Why would I badmind Colaz? Stop call up knife ninja name for foolishness. Now, guys, the reason why I decided to make this video is because I want to start talking about something that I'll be making a few videos talking about. And what I'm saying here is simple. I watched a video, you see, about where Knife Ninja was saying that he was having problem at where he was working. And he called up Colaz, and Colaz help him to come over and start to do the cooking, where he start to make some money and help him. Yeah, it helped him to find himself. Meaning he was down and he called Colaz because Knife Ninja and Colaz is good friend from a very long time. So Knife Ninja said Colaz help him, and he go over and start to cook and be a part of Colaz Smith TV, cooking for the people in downtown. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to exactly what I say now. Now you have Knife Ninja say he's getting a lot of comments and messages on his page saying that he want to be like Colaz Smith. He's trying to be like Colaz Smith. He's bad-minding Colaz Smith. He want to be like Colaz Smith. Now, I am going to say this with no apologies. And I'm going to be honest. Very, 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 very honest. It's getting from bad to worse now when it come on to some of the Colaz Smith sheeps. I have talked to some Colaz Smith people over the phone. Nice people, very respectful people, very understanding people. Yeah, Colaz Smith have some very decent, respectful, nice subscribers. And some followers too. But I'm going to say this to the ones that is out there causing mischief and problem. If you all love Colaz, as how some of you say you love Colaz, you wouldn't go under Knife Ninja comment and make those kind of comment about he want to be Colaz. Because why he want to be Colaz? Because he's trying to build a house for his family. Because he's trying to fly a drone. Because he want to up his YouTube channel. Why would somebody say he bad mind Colaz? Why would somebody say he want to be Colaz? Now let me say this to some of you. Now let's say Knife Ninja want to be Colaz. Is that a bad thing? If Knife Ninja or anybody said they would want to be like Colaz, would that be a bad thing? Or it would be a good thing to know that Knife Ninja or anybody else would want to be like Colaz, making good videos and growing in YouTube. What is really wrong with some of you that is following Colaz Smith? What is really wrong with some of you? Is it that some of you don't have any moral, any standard, or any brains to say to yourself, well, if you want to try to follow Colaz, that's good, that's nice, because Colaz is stepping up. Colaz is helping people. Don't you think if Knife Ninja, because I have never heard Knife Ninja said, I want to be like Colaz Smith. I see Knife Ninja making his video, doing his own thing, operating like how he, Knife Ninja, operate. If you notice, and take a good look at Knife Ninja, and I go say this to you, Knife Ninja, listen to what me I said. Don't jump the gun. Listen to what I'm saying. Don't jump the gun like the rest and say, I am coming at you. Just listen. Knife Ninja is a proud man. Knife Ninja a bossy boy. Knife Ninja like things a certain way. Knife Ninja is a expensive kind of dude. Knife Ninja is a kind of person where he want to go up high. That's who Knife Ninja is. Me no know him. Me never see him yet. Me never talk to him yet. But that's what I see and listen out of Knife Ninja. Knife Ninja is a proud man and want to elevate himself, him and his family. So if he want to take a pin or a needle or something out of Colaz Smith book or what he see Colaz Smith or he was wrong Colaz Smith, if he want to do, is it that something wrong with that? What is simply wrong with some of you, both subscribers and viewers? What is really wrong with you when it come on to Colaz Smith, brother? This man is just trying to elevate himself and his family. I won't play his video. I won't play his video. I want just, you can go over there, go listen to him video. Yeah, you can go over there, go listen to him video. Him say him no want to be like no man. Him never call Colaz Smith name. Mark, you know, him never call, he never say, he no want to be like Colaz Smith. He say he no want to be like no man, nobody, no man. Meaning he no want to be like nobody at all. He want to be Knife Ninja. Is that wrong? Is that bad? Is that rude? Is that disrespectful? If Knife Ninja want to be Knife Ninja and don't want to be Colaz Smith, is something wrong with that? My viewers and subscribers, listen to what I'm saying here. Colaz Smith do a very, very nice thing by helping people, getting money from people, helping the people in Jamaica. It's 3 weeks now, and Colaz Smith, 3 weeks gone, and Colaz Smith help people every week with donations and donations. And my viewers and subscribers, it is hard when if you do something, he's trying to build a house, and they're telling him he's bad minding Colaz Smith. So what should he do? He's trying to build a house of his own and come out of rent house. He's trying to start something for himself. Hold on, I think maybe I was wrong with that part. Maybe I was wrong with that part. So Knife Ninja, if you hear me say that part about the rent house and all them things, because I don't know if I rent you up here right now, because you never say it. So I don't know. So have me excuse for that piece. But me go use that piece. You know. But him want to start in full cub business. He want to start in chicken business because his grandmother give him a piece of place. So what if him grandmother give him a piece of place and him want to go build it up? Is that bad mind in Colaz Smith? Oh, Jesus. I really and truly don't understand. Right now, I haven't seen, for a while now, I haven't seen, hold on, stick up in. Because anytime he open my mouth, everybody say, oh, me a bad mind too. And then say me bad mind. Me know me bad mind for. A while now, I haven't seen any cooking a go on at Kingston. So, me don't know if the cooking still a go on or me don't know if that part of the team they mash up. Yeah? Me don't know if that part of the team they mash up. But at the end of the day, is if it even no mash up, if it even no mash up and still a go on, we don't really know. Guys, I said I wasn't going to play any of the video, but listen to this. Listen.
Overhead, all this. Yeah, so we still have a roof over our head, but you don't know, we're grateful, and God is the greatest, we're still alive. You know what I mean? Even that, when we say God is the greatest, people have a problem with everything. But there's this particular person who made a comment. I deleted the comment because I never like it, and every time I go from my channel, normally when I do the negative comment, them will keep like chat up about other things, and I say all these things. When I pin them on things to make them to say, oh, virtue. You get me? I said, yeah. So, people them leave some comment, you know, like, them try to cause problem. You get me? I said, in the sense that they must say, oh, Ninth Ninja, Badmind, Colaz, and all them things there. I'm telling you this. Badmind, that I know one of them. You see, me, no time, no talk. You get me? I say, so, I know some people are run with the wrong narrative, and them say this and them say that. You see, if you never did that video here, I won't feel good on myself. You get me? I say, I know a lot of people that say, oh, Ninth Ninja, you should do it, and, you know, just black out the people, but sometimes, you have to come out and make them understand. Because you see, the more we keep quiet, the more the comment will come in. I start my project, you get me? I said, start the whole building process. You get me? I said, people say me I fall in and I beg, and I don't think me. At the end of the day, I do my video, and I know God send people my way, and I'm grateful for everyone who reach out. I start the GoFundMe for the project, and you know, a lot of negative. That me have a problem with that. You see, we need to have a problem. So if they want to criticize me, I say this and say I don't care. You get me? I say, but at the end of the day, when they say bad mind and jealous and colors and ask and call for, I mean, if you take a page out of a book, and we need to do this, and we need to do this, and we need to be more like a. Listen, I will never be like nobody. I am myself. You understand? I am one of one. Me no want to be like nobody, and don't compare me with nobody, and don't try to say I'm bad mind nobody. Like, why would I bad mind? And why would you guys say that? And I like to do my content and talk about any individual. I'm not talk about nobody. You get me? I say, I big up a man, I big up people, but me not come on here and try to keep this. You know, it make me really have to look at myself and I say, why would they even say that? You understand? They know for the Kingston team, our job is to cook and feed the homeless. That's our job, like that alone. You get me? I say, but I have own separate channels. We are trying to build a team, have a family, introduce my family to my channel. You know, me I do my thing. You understand? You know, sometimes we're really all over the place, and you know, we really find.
Guys, you hear that? Me say me never go playing video, but me have to play a small part of it. You hear that? What is it so that a person is going to see the man a doing thing and I go tell him say him a bad mind colors and him a this. So, hold on a little bit. Let me ask this question. A man should because him did their own colors or because a man talk about colors. Colors, me know you can't stop people from talk about you. Or you can't stop. The only thing you can do is send a man a cease and desist letter. But you can't tell a man, you can't tell him out of your own mouth, say, no fi call your name, but you just can't tell a man, say, no call my name. Because if you tell me, say, me no fi call your name, you have to send me a paper from the lawyer for me no call your name. Because if you tell me, say, no call your name, you go call him more. Until me get a paper from the lawyer. Yeah, not even you. If you send me one, me still want one from the lawyer. Yeah? Yeah, man, that's how you think. So check this out. If a man make a video towards colors, or if a man do anything where colors not even concerned, it is a problem. Why? Why is it a problem? The man I try make him life, fix him life, put him life together. But yet still, some of you, remember, I did not say all colors, viewers, and subscribers, because guess what? I know there's people out there who don't like colors none at all. They don't even like to see him. And guess what? Some of those people, he didn't do them nothing. But is how him do some things that they don't like. There's a lot of people out there who don't like how Colaz do some of him things them. Can you wrong them? No, you can't wrong them because that's their opinion. And that's why when sometimes even Colaz himself come out and say certain things, me I say, you can't stop a person from say what them I say. You know, you have the right to voice your opinion still. But this now go far beyond everything. When you come out and abash the youth, abash the man, for a try life on his own. If you come out and abash the man, I tell the man say he want to be like Colaz. You hear what man say? Even the word God is the greatest. Colaz didn't come up with God is the greatest. It's been a word for years. It's just that Colaz say it more often. And then now it's become a nice word because you hear it more often. Back in the days, people used to say God is the greatest love of God, the greatest love of all. But at the end of the day, you all should respect and have some form of respect for the man we are trying. Not because him used to the on Colaz Smith team. You're going to bash him, say him a follow Colaz, him Badmind Colaz. Let me say this again. Me see him, you know. Me see him long time. Me could have make video about him long time. Me could have make a video, and my video when me did go make or would have make or could have make about Knife Ninja is that Knife Ninja is a proud, bossy boy. Ambitious, bossy boy. You know when we at Jamaica, we say, wait, boy bossy, cause guess what? Him have and him think highly of himself. And once you think highly of yourself, you're going to try to make yourself progressive. Because you don't want nobody to talk about you. That is who Mr. Knife Ninja as or is. And yet still, when you come out and when you bash the youth, how the youth Badmind Colaz, how the youth are try take Colaz thing, how the youth are try this, the youth are try that. When at the end of the day, what am I do? Try to put something on him family table. It is a shame. It is a shame to know that Colaz, some of Colaz fans attacking Knife Ninja. It is a shame. I don't know if Knife Ninja is still a part of Colaz Smith TV. I don't know. I know that them cook up a town. Me notice me not see no cooking a go on for a while now. Me don't know if the cooking mash up. You know, me don't know if Colaz make a video say the cooking is no more a channel of his. But you know, because you may say it all of a sudden you hear people talk about how you are got too deep in the people and business. Just like how the team over, what you call over place, over St. Vincent, me notice me not see them again. Me used to like watch them. Me not see them again. Me don't know what happened. So maybe that team they mash up too, or maybe Colaz drop that team there. Who knows? Maybe them have them own thing and do by themselves. You know? I don't know. But you know, I have to remember this. To each and every, you know, me not talk to each and every one of Colaz subscribers, them are viewers, because some of Colaz viewers and subscribers are really decent people, because I talk to many of them. You have some of them where you cannot say nothing about Colaz, whether if it bad, good, or indifference. Them ready to cut you down. Them ready to cut you down, and it's a shame. It is sad that we are living in a time that we cannot open our mouth and make our mind and make up our mind and talk what's on our mind and make our own decision about something where we say that we say it's not good in our eyesight. It may be good in your eyesight, but it's not good in my eyesight. So if it's not good in my eyesight, I'm not going to say it's good in my eyesight when it's not good in my eyesight. my viewers and subscribers, listen to what me I say. Colaz that help people down in Jamaica there with the help of donors. Me not say viewers and subscribers, me I say donors because donors are people that some people that donate money where them name have the money for donate, but them find it for donate because they want to help. Some people are say colors are help, so people not say nothing about colors. No, no, no. Jesus was helping everybody, and one of his disciples betrayed him. So what on earth are you all talking? I don't know. People have the right to voice their opinion, whether if him a help or him not help. And you also have the right to voice your opinion under the comment section. Because that's why the comment section is there. That's why Knife Ninja say him block and delete. Me not delete message. Me not delete message. Me not delete no message. And there's a reason why I not delete no message. And me write it. And me write it. And you know why I not delete message? If me only want to see the good message them, I mean I want to see the bad message them, then me I do the wrong thing. If I don't want to see a bad comment, I'm at the wrong spot. I should be on YouTube. I should be on no social media at all. Because you're going to get the bad comment. You're going to get the good one. You're going to get the indifferent one. And that's all it tells you what people saying and what people not saying. So I don't delete nothing at all. Nothing. And I will not delete any of them. So Knife Ninja, hear what me I say to you. No delete no message. Make the message them stay there. And the reason why you make them stay there, make them stay there so people can see where people are right. Because you know, you can't stop a person from say what them say. It's only that sometimes you need to voice your opinion. Me have some, hey, my subscribers, one of them. Salute to all of my subscribers. I tell you no, love no bad. Yeah, man, me love no like oh God of little children. And that's how it is. The love for Uno from my heart strong. Because Uno dead there with me. And when me wrong, Uno tell me say me wrong. Like the other day, we make a video. I talk about Mackie and engraving. And one of my subscribers called me and tell me say, they don't like that video. And we have a nice conversation. Yeah, man, we have a nice conversation. Because we all are human beings. But when you see Knife Ninja trying to elevate himself, trying to put something out there for his family to hear, him have youths. When you see him try to put two and two together to make him life, I don't know if him and Colaz, them still do the food thing. I don't know. But let's say Colaz stop do the food things. What should he do? Should he just sit down and wait till Colaz start it up again? How he's going to feed his family? How he's going to feed his family? That's how he feed his family, you too. And his wife work. I think his wife is still at the call center or something like I don't know. I didn't go that far. But at the end of the day, the man get a momentum and he get some help from Colaz when he lose his work, when things wasn't going good. I think things wasn't going good at the place. I don't think he lose his work. I think things wasn't going good. So he call on Colaz, and Colaz give him a strength. And he make use of the strength by making a YouTube channel and grow his channel. So is that wrong? No, no, seriously. Is that wrong for him to do for himself and his family? Grow a YouTube channel, so that means he can get himself up there. Is that wrong? My viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm going to be out right now. Yeah, man. So remember, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and guys, I'm begging you, please, 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 watch all the ads. Yeah, man, watch all the ads. You don't know. Peace and love. Now, say a word, I'm out.